Isoko mano wado. Greetings to you, everybody. Eva woman na me wolo ma wure mi bia rejo. Mariti wuri bia mi esa. Eva Isoko. 3-letter words in Isoko alphabet. Rest of me wo beti na eme word. Eme what? Ever how? Ever inside. Ele breath. Oza respond or answer. The same thing goes with uyo, answer or respond. Offer, order, like or offer another thing, Then osa, salary or reward. Then esa, debt. So, if my mom is TV if you remember everything on an arm, or else so no raw. Eme na word. Or else so no raw. Eme na, which is word. Emerana or bagbaziezi. Your word is very correct. Number 2, eme what? Eme what better? What are you saying? 3, ever inside. Naze obeva come inside. Number 4, ever. Why? This ever, so you can use it in different form. Ever. Why? Which is ever ojero ere. Why is it so? Then the same this ever so. Ever how? Ever woro. How are you? Then let's move forward. Number 5. Ever breath. Mebe sawe. Ever ziezi. Hayo mebe sawe. Ziezi. I can't breathe very well. The number 6. Oza. Hayo uyo respond or answer. Me just say owe. Recall. When you care omehe. I was calling you, but you didn't answer me. Menowe maho oma sera. Recall, we come uyogo. How was zemyovo come? I was asking you about your father's head, but you didn't respond to me. You didn't answer me. Then let's move forward. Number 7, offer, order, like other thing. Come, offer, give me another one. Give me another one. Okay, offer, give other person. Number 8, osa, salary or reward. Osara orente John waro. Your reward will be great. Merereho osanoho. I have not received salary. Are wosom osa. I have not been paid. Manaharo esa debt. Owoyena your oriesa. That person is a debtor. Then number 10 orurere ono question. Onorama oriromehe. I don't like that question. Isoko. Ewu remedi nene. Etene maybe you queer. Magetero eva uomo fanobeka. Isoko wadu.